Welcome back to Kwentos sa Bawat Gala. Today, we're here at one of the most iconic and elegant landmarks in Riyadh, the Ritz-Carlton Riyadh. From the front view alone, you can already feel the grandeur, the wide open space, the symmetry of the structure, and the calm surroundings instantly set the tone. This doesn't feel like an ordinary hotel. It feels like stepping into a place. As you move closer to the entrance, you're welcomed by this beautiful fountain. It's more than just a decorative feature. It creates a sense of calm and balance. The gentle sound of flowing water slowly separates you from the noise of the city. It's as if the place is telling you you need to slow down, to pause, and to take everything in. At night, the lights reflecting on the water add another layer of elegance, making the entire entrance feel even more majestic. Once you step inside, the experience completely changes. You're greeted by an incredibly high ceiling and a stunning chandelier that immediately draws your eyes upward. The space feels open, grand, and thoughtfully designed, luxurious without being overwhelming. Every detail feels intentional, from the lighting to the architecture. As you walk through the interior, you'll notice the figurines, the patterns, and carefully crafted designs displayed throughout the space. Each piece reflects a blend of Arabic and Islamic art, adding depth and character to the surroundings. It feels like every corner has its own story, quiet, elegant, and rich in culture. One of the most impressive parts of this place is wedding halls, spacious, refined, and truly grand. These halls feel fit for royal celebrations. You can easily imagine how unforgettable a wedding or major event would be in a setting like this. Stepping back outside and viewing the building as a whole, especially in the evening, the palace-like presence becomes even more striking. The lights, the structure, and the calm surroundings give it a timeless and dignified atmosphere. The Ritz-Carlton Riyadh is more than a hotel. It's an experience, one that reflects elegance, culture, and the modern face of Saudi Arabia. This has been another episode of Kwentos sa Bawat Gala, where every place has a story worth telling. See you on the next vlog!